So here is John Cena. I adopted him. He's so spoiled. He wanting his tuna. You want your tuna? Okay. This is the area where I hold the cats for them to heal. But he has took over and he's like, nope, this is mine. So this is where he chills. There you go, baby doll. One of the best cats I've ever rescued. He turned out to be a good kitty. A good kitty. Ain't ya? Ain't good. I don't like the way they clipped his ear though. Looks bad. I told them I wasn't happy with it either. Say, they're good stuff. John Cena, I love him. He's a good boy.